Girls and boys, welcome back to another video of mine, alright? You dig. You already know it's your girl coming at you with another video, and from this title you are already able to tell that this video will be a foundation routine, and I'm going to be doing the most ridiculous thing ever. I was told to speak with a British accent, so that is what I'm going to be doing today, alrighty? You dig. It's just a little bit of banter and just some jokes, so do not come for me, it's all jokes, and I'm jumping straight in and I'm priming my face. Using my baby skin Maybeline primer and my LA Girl Pro Prep primer to prime my skin so we can have it nice and prepped. And I'm going in with my foundation, and this is the Black Opal foundation, and I'm spraying my brush with a bit of rose water because, you know, rose water is just bomb, like the bomb. Can we talk about that coverage? Yeah, look at that, look at those scars, and look at the other side looking so nice and clean. And this foundation is the bomb, and that's why I love it. That's why I love it. Do you know what? I'm beginning to think this is not a good idea at all, and nevertheless I'll be taking my LA Girl concealer at this point, and I'm going to be highlighting, and this is in the shade Fawn, and I'll have everything listed down below in the description bar. I'm trying not to talk too much because this is a bit uncomfortable for me, because, you know, playing and speaking in a British accent is totally different from doing a whole video trying to speak in a British accent, and I'm not British. Like, what am I thinking? So I'm now setting my face with my powder. This is Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm just setting those highlighted areas. To contour a bit, I'm going to be taking my Sleek contour kit, and this is in the shade Dark, I believe, and I'm spraying that a bit with my rose water just to get that to blend nice and even and all of that stuff, you know, that good stuff. I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow from my Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 350, I think. I'm not certain, but I'm setting the contoured areas with that eyeshadow because makeup has no rules. I'm just taking my Black Opal loose powder to set the rest of my face, and that is that, okay, that is that. And I'm just cleaning this contour line up with the powder as well. I'm going to be baking with a bit of Sacha Buttercup. I really did not mean to apply that much baking powder, but, you know, I'm wiping it away. And I'm now going to take this Hunt's eyeshadow from my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette to act as a blush. I'm spraying my face with some rose water so we could get rid of those powders and all that powdery look, you know, that cakey feeling. I'm just buffing that in. Now highlighting with my Masterchrome highlighter, and this is the bomb. But I'm going to be spraying with my Fix Plus, and thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy it. Give this a big thumbs up, comment down below, share with all your friends, and have a good one, alright? Mwah.